and the wind could really toss around any debris or any trash cans. And as a result, many people have been preparing for the strong gusts. News 4's Ali Ingersoll is live at LaSalle Park along the water with an update on the current conditions.
Brittany, it's a very windy afternoon here down by the waterfront. You can see whitecaps behind me, some water coming up over the break wall. This is as these winds continue picking up and as people around our region continue bracing for it to be like this throughout the day.
If it gets really bad, we'll just stay inside.
If it's going to get gustier, it's good, but not too bad at the moment.
And Dave and Heather are visiting from England, checking out the fall foliage around the region.
Well, the leaves will be blown off by the wind, so it's going to disappoint our holiday.
While the winds might ruin their fun, for others it's no gain.
Due to the high winds, we can't do any type of work.
James Naples owns Naples Roofing. His day started early, heading to each work site, securing or removing all materials.
It's very, very important not to have anything that could fly off and, hurt anyone or damage any property.
He says this weather is messing up their timetables for when they'll complete projects.
We're definitely behind.
The business owner says when it comes to safety for his crews and others, it's an easy call to close all sites until the high winds subside.
It's just too risky.
These high winds could make it a risky ride home from work for a lot of people. So the sheriff's office is reminding people about a few things today as you're traveling in this. First off, they say keep both hands on the wheel to give you more control of the car. Secondly, they're reminding people to go at a speed they're comfortable with. And finally, they're reminding people if you come to a stoplight that's out because of power outages, treat it like a stop sign. Now, this high wind advisory remains in effect until 8 o'clock tonight. Reporting from LaSalle Park, Ali Ingersoll, News 4.